If you're getting ready to hire movers for your big move, I've got some friendly, simple tips that will help you prepare for professional movers and make the day run smoother. First, declutter and decide what's staying and what's going. Before your moving crew shows up, go through your stuff and set aside items you don't want to move. Fewer things means fewer boxes and less time. Second, figure out what your movers won't handle. Some companies can't transport hazardous materials like paint or cleaners, certain plants, pets, or important documents. Make sure you know ahead of time which items you'll move yourself. Third, make a detailed inventory and pack, or at least prepare, your items. Jot down what you're moving, take photos of fragile or valuable stuff, and label your boxes so your movers know where things go. That helps you keep track and spot anything missing later on. Fourth, get your home ready for the mover's arrival. That means clearing pathways, protecting floors and walls, disassembling big furniture if needed, and making sure everything is accessible. The easier it is for them to do their job, the faster and safer your move will be. Finally, be available on moving day and do a final walkthrough. Be there to answer questions, direct the movers where things go, check off items from your list, and have a final look around your old place so nothing is left behind. That helps avoid surprises later. Preparing ahead like this may take a little effort, but it saves time, stress, and may even save money. Your moving day will feel a lot smoother when you've done the groundwork. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.